Hello friends, today we will learn how to install Mendeley. Okay, so first of all we should know what is Mendeley. So we all know that Mendeley is a reference manager tool or software that was first of all founded in the year 2007 by PhD students Paul Vogler, Victor Henning, Jan Richard, and then it was acquired or used by Dutch academic published company Elsevier in 2013, and this is utilized to manage and to cite research papers and also to generate bibliographies for scholarly articles, papers, books. Okay, now there are some basic steps that are used for the installation of Mendeley. First of all, whenever you will search on the Google, this is a freeware. It does not need a crack version, or you can say any unauthenticated or some other ways to be installed. So it's a very straightforward software. So the first step is you will be tapping on the Google Mendeley Desktop. So you will find a lot of options. So what you have to do, you have to first of all create an account on the Mendeley website. After registration, you need to click on the arrow beside your name. Okay, then you will download from the drop down menu, or you can directly also download the Mendeley Desktop for Windows, and then you have to install the setup file. Or there are other steps also. You can follow the simple steps, like first of all sign up for Mendeley, install Mendeley Desktop. Okay, and you can use this website for signing up for Mendeley, or you may also see an option to sign via your institution, that you to direct to the Elsevier page. This method will require to verify the email address before you can access the Mendeley account. Once we are registered, then we will be asked to provide information about the current role and field study. If desired, you can skip this step. Okay, now the next step, you can install the Mendeley Desktop. So you can download the Mendeley by visiting this website. Okay, or you can type on the Google Mendeley Desktop. So you will get directly to the page, and then you can download it. The third step is you have to also install the web importer. So this is an extension that is used for the Google Chrome users. So this will enable you to save references into your Mendeley library also. So you can get it from the link. And nowadays the Mendeley is also supported by these portals. There are a lot of portals here. Okay, these are the portals for the download of the papers or necessary information. So this was all about the instructions or basic info about the Mendeley. Shortly you will see how to install the Mendeley, and also to add this to the Word file, because they have to be connected. If you see here also, I have a Mendeley installed here. So this will appear like this: install Mendeley, and this Mendeley is, you can see, 1.19.8. so this one you have to download from the Google. And then also you can see here there's an option about open Mendeley also. So this should be connected to your Word file when you are installing the Mendeley. So guys, for downloading the origin, what we need to do is directly type on the Google Mendeley Desktop. Okay, we already discussed about the Mendeley, its brief history. Okay, so now you can see there is a lot of option. So we will download this one on Windows, and the setup is being downloaded. After this we will install it. So this is our Walaikum Assalam. Yes. Yes. Just wait, please. Okay. Thank you.